Today is Monday, December 22nd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And overall, the weather pretty quiet across the middle of the U.S., especially in the south. It's the northern jet stream, which has been acting up, that's producing some rain showers, or rather some snow showers, I should say. We wish it was rain showers at this point because that would mean it's warmer, but it's cold enough that everything falling with this clipper system as it's moving through the Midwest today is just snow. And it's generally light snow, so a couple of inches, and it will certainly put maybe an extra nail in that you're absolutely going to get a white Christmas scenario there for you in the Midwest. So white Christmas, by the way, defined by at least 1 inch of snow on the ground at 7 a.m. on Christmas morning. So let's take you through the forecast. A little bit of snow falling here through the middle part of the Great Lakes region, especially late this afternoon and overnight. A good part of this morning and early afternoon, just cloudy. Temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40. We're 50 in Cincy today, 53 in Louisville, 60 in Nashville, 62 over there in Memphis. So temperatures go up tomorrow and then down as we head into Christmas Eve. So there's a good chance any of that new snow will tend to melt. So if you got any left over, and a lot of folks have seen the snow melt, but if you have any left over, more melting expected tomorrow. And then on Christmas Day, actually, we could be up near 50 degrees and could be in the upper 50s on Christmas Day there in Chicago, to be followed by another cool down as we approach the weekend, or at least the end of the weekend. As we move over to the southeast, we're 46 in the mid-Atlantic there in Washington, D.C., 54 in Wilmington, 53 in Charleston, 61 in Atlanta today, so definitely a cool feel. Light jackets and hoodie weather for sure here in much of the southeast, but at least it's dry. 73 in New Orleans today, 75 in Dallas, we're 80 in Tampa, and actually right around 80 there in Miami. Temperatures are going to improve in the southeast. That's a welcome change. It's been a very cool weather pattern. And in Charlotte, our 50s today will mean 60s tomorrow, and maybe by the end of the week, maybe by Christmas Day, already up near 70 degrees. In South Florida, including in Fort Lauderdale, we got a mix of sun and clouds this morning, but the big story is the wind. You notice it already this morning. With gusty winds this afternoon, you'll certainly notice it. I would say it's beach weather, but with the gusty winds blowing that sand around, I mean, it's gusting up there of 25 miles per hour. It's going to be like you're being sandblasted by that sand. Scattered clouds and falling back into the 70s later on this evening. A very steady forecast here with highs in the upper 70s right through the end of the week. So that's your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. Of course, Wednesday is Christmas Eve. I'll have another weather update here ahead of the holiday. Merry Christmas to all that celebrate. I'll see you on Wednesday.